Alright, I'm going to show you how to build shocks. Well, not build them, you've already built them, but how to put the top cap on and not get any air bubbles, which is quite challenging sometimes. So I'll show you, once you've got it all filled with oil in your shock here, and you've got rid of the air bubbles inside, what we find is people then chuck everything on and screw it down, and however way they do it, what techniques they have, and you get air bubbles. It's really hard to get that on. So this little technique is actually quite handy for getting it right the first time. What you do, get your cap, get the bladder, put the cap inside the bladder, like that. Now put the screw cap over the top. The next thing you got to do, super important, is you just move that cap up a bit like that. Hold it loosely. So you've got it like that now. When you put it on top, put it on an angle. One side first, squeeze the oil out the other side, press it down, oil goes oozing, and keep the pressure down with your finger, like that. Keep the pressure down the whole time. Now I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna swap fingers here. Keep the pressure down with my left index finger, and then I'm just gonna screw the cap up, keeping the pressure on the whole time. So you've squeezed the oil out. There's no chance for air to get in. You've kept the pressure down the whole time. And now you got the cap on. Voila. Perfect. Never get air that way. Easy trick.